My time niko, my time niko, my time niko, my time niko. Hey, okay.
Today we'll be using the Mink 5D lashes. Quick demonstration of how to apply your lashes. I don't know why I look mad. It's coming together. You can also use your hands if you feel comfortable. Do you, babes? It's okay to tear up a little, just make sure not to glue your eyes shut. See how good it turned out, asterisk, internally screaming, asterisk. Now repeat the same process on the other side. For easier application, cut your lashes into pieces. Example. Apply one coat of mascara so that the lashes can blend seamlessly with the falsies. Apply lash glue to your lashes. If you are using a handheld mirror, put it under your chin. Take one of the pieces you cut and apply it under your lash line. Push in your lash using your tweezer to make it firm. Don't stop until you feel comfortable with it. Using your tweezer, take another piece of your lashes and repeat the process. Don't forget to always look down for easy application. Again, repeat the process, guys. When done, feel it for a little, then adjust till you are comfortable with them on. And this is the finished look. See how good and seamless it looks. Falsies wear. I really like how it turned out. Now go rock and enjoy your lashes. Thank you for watching.